Hello everyone, I am Kumar Kaushil and today I am going to show you the demonstration of my project that I have done as a part of the internship at the Sparks Foundation under a GRIF program, that is a graduate rotational internship program. So, uh, so I have done the implementation of the coding in VS Code, and I used the MongoDB client as my database management system. So in the screen, you can see the code for my backend. In the screen, you can see the routes that I have assigned for my users, and there is a routes for transactions, and these are the models and the schema that I have developed for my backend process. And this is the dummy users that schema that I have developed, and so on. And this is the backend part, and this is the UI part or the front end. In this, I have used a home component, loading, and main component. This is a React based project, React.js based project. So while implementing this, I have faced issues but resolved it later with the help of the Stack Overflow of the Spark Foundation, and so on. So let's continue with the demonstration of my project. These are the REST endpoints that I have developed using the MongoDB, and it was deployed in the Heroku app. And these are the dummy users listed down. And I have used VS Code Faker app, so I can generate random names and so on, other datas. And this is the UI of my project, and this is the home page. So before continuing further, let's discuss the overall flow of my project. So from the home page, I will in the home page I will see the list of users, and using the link or the anchor tag here, we can go to the individual client or customer, and from there we will click the transfer button. That will pop up the uh, form field where you can fill your details of the transaction, and once the transaction is fully successful, then it will redirect back to the home page. So let's see what happens in the project. So I'm clicking this anchor tag here of Danny Hills, not Danny Hills, Cham Absire, and clicking this will send you to this page, customer Cham Absire. After clicking the transfer button, it will pop up the form where you can fill the form. There are three options for the transaction. One is from beneficiary username, second is account number, then the from the drop down, which lists down the customers that are available for the transaction or the transfer. And this is the amount field where you can put the amount, and this is a note. If you want, it's an optional field. You can add it or you can avoid it. So let's try putting some value here. Tyrell Visa, who is one of the user in the customers list. So I will not select, I will select only one. If two fields with different names are field, then it will show an error stating that mismatch fields, and you have to refill the correct the fields, and then you can continue further. Let's put some amount that is greater than the current balance. Let let us put 1200. It will show insufficient balance. You don't have this much balance in your account, so you are not unable to proceed further. So let's put 1000 this time, and a note transfer, and let's put some different name. Let's try this as well, and this will show. Please double check the details mismatch fields. So I will not select it, or rather I will select the same name here. Transfer. It will redirect you to the home page where there is a list of the customers listed down, and below the customers table there is a transaction table which shows the all the transaction that happened in the bank. So this is the last entry that I have done this time of Sham Absai to Tyrell Visa. It was not having a transfer. The debited amount is 100. After debiting, the remaining amount in the balance of the Sam Absai from where the transaction is initiated is shown here. And this is all that I have implemented. I have put effort. So this is all. Have a nice day. Thank you, and